What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got episode 11 of This Week at NLD. This week we've got 2 Mustang Bullitts in, we've got a Porsche Turbo S, and we've got a lot more going on. So stick around and let's see what's happening. Right guys, it's Monday morning and we've got a very busy week ahead of us, as I mentioned. So first up this morning we had this Porsche Taycan Cross Turismo in, So this has been in before for coatings and this is now all coated up. So we was just in for a maintenance wash. So this is looking nice and clean now for the owner. This is going to be collected a bit later on by him. Always a pleasure to work on this. Such a stunning car. We've got this Range Rover SVR going out today, so this was in over the weekend and it's had front end it's had a PPF on this front bumper here, so this is now protected. They only wanted the front bumper doing, so that's what we've done for them. Toby worked on that over the weekend and got that done, so good job to him. Other than the SVR, here's the main event really. So here's both of the Bullitts. So it's not often you see one of these, let alone 2 at the same time, so we're very grateful to have these in at the moment. Both with us for ceramic coatings. So yeah, the one on the right's been with us previously for coatings. Quickly show you Callum and Cadbury. Just taking Cadbury out. But yeah, so this had coatings previously. We just need to go over the car again and add some coatings where there's been work done on it. Then we've got this one with us now. So this one's been modified very tastefully, I think. So let us know which one you prefer out of the 2. Some owners like to keep the Mustangs standard, which obviously the customer on the right is doing. This one has been lowered, sitting on some really nice wheels. Apparently there's not many of these in the country, I believe. So yeah, they look really good on the car. And as well as the new wheels, it's had a nice lip put on the back of it, which looks really good. So yeah, we've got both of these at the minute. We're just getting them prepped and then the guys can start polishing and coating maybe later on. Right guys, we're now on Tuesday, so we're going to be making some good progress on the Mustang Bullitts today, so let me show you them. Right, so here they are, both of the Bullitts next to each other in the handover bay. So now they've both been decontaminated outside the studio. As you can see, they're looking nice and clean at the minute. So yeah, now they've been decontaminated, we'll pour them back into the studio so we can start our multi-stage paint correction on them. So Callum's starting on the standard one over here, as you can see. So once we're done with the paint correction on this one, we can move on to the modified one. So this is having our level 1 protection package. So this will include a multi-stage paint correction, a single layer of Ceramic Pro 9H, followed by a single layer of Ceramic Pro top coat. The wheels will be coming off the car and being coated also. Then to finish it off, the glass will also be coated. So we're still waiting for the Porsche Turbo S to be dropped off, but once that's been dropped off, I'll pick it back up with you a bit later on and show you us decontaminating that as well. Right then, it's towards the end of Tuesday now and the Turbo S has just been dropped off, so let's show you around this quickly. Right, so here's the Turbo S. Callum just started the decontamination on it now. So it's really nice spec. Got the black paintwork with the yellow calipers. It's a nice touch. Fully black interior, and then onto the front. So this is in for our truck pack PPF package. So Callum's going to give it a full decontamination now, then we're going to bring it inside the studio, go over it with a clay bar just to make sure there's no smaller contaminants, and then we can start with applying the PPF. So with our truck pack PPF package, the bonnet, bumper, wings, side skirts and the rear impact spots here will be getting PPF'd. So we'll let Callum finish up with the decontamination and then we can pull it inside the studio. So then that's it for Tuesday. We made some good progress on the Bullitts behind me, as you can see. So the paint correction started on both of those. coating put on them. And other than that, Toby's going to be working on the Turbo S, as you can see behind me, into the night today. So we should have some good progress on that tomorrow morning. Right, so we're now on Wednesday. Let's show you a quick update. Right, so first up, Mustang Bullitts are still here. Callum's been making some progress on those, but that's not been the main focus today. We've also got Cadbury with us. Right, so we've had an exciting package turn up today from this team over at NLDs. So if you have a look in this box, there's over 100 LED strips that you put into the hexagon. So I don't know if you've seen it before, maybe in some other studios, but yeah. So we're going to have hex lights the whole way running along the ceiling here. At the minute we've put up this side strip that we've ordered as well as the roofing lighting, but at the minute that's going to be fitted tomorrow, so I'll show you that as well in the vlog. So yeah, this is what we've got up so far at the minute. Toby's just put these up. So this is diagonal strip along the whole wall. So yeah, these are looking really good at the minute. And once we put the roof ones up as well, they should look even better. We're going to be going from this second tile here all the way down to the end with hexagons, so that should look really good. As I mentioned, the ceiling guys coming tomorrow to fit those, so I'll show you that once the ceiling guys here tomorrow. Other than the lights, the two Bullitts are here. Callum's been making progress on them with the multi-stage paint correction, and now the Turbo S has just been pulled outside just to make sure it's fully cleaned before we start the PPF. Toby didn't get around to doing it yesterday evening, so that's going to be done later on today, I believe, or tomorrow now. Yeah, what a gorgeous car. If there's any updates later on, I'll get back to you. If not, I'll see you tomorrow. Right guys, we're now on Thursday, and we came in a little earlier on as we had the lights being fitted, so spent a couple hours now and they're all up, so let's go show you them. Right, so if we go inside the studio and have a look, there they are. So the whole runway that we've not had any lighting up for a while, this is now all lit up, as you can see. So these are looking fantastic and should give the studio a lot more lighting in this area. So now when we've got cars in here, they should look a lot better underneath the lighting. So other than the lighting this morning, Callum's going to be continuing on with the Mustang Bullitts, so we need to get them in a good position to apply coatings later on today. So he's just continuing on with the multi-stage paint correction at the moment. Other than the Mustangs, we've got this eyepiece behind me, so you may have seen this on the channel before. This has not long had coatings done, so there was a channel, I believe 2 weeks ago for this, so if you want to go give that a watch, go ahead. But this owner's just brought it back in for its free maintenance wash, so all of our customers who have any Strongly Pro packages do get a free maintenance wash, so the customers can either choose to watchers wash it for them, so this way they know the best way to keep their car maintained. Like this customer's done, he's just dropped it off for us, he's going to collect it a little later on. As you can see though, it is absolutely hanging, so it looks like a different colour on the side here. So this is the PPF, so if you have a look closely here, you can see the PPF. So this, from the whole front of this, is now protected. So finally, other than the F-Pace, quickly show you the lighting again. We do have this sidebar as well, so this is not powered up at the moment. We just need to actually hardwire it all in. So yeah, we still have this Turbo S in with us as well, so we had the customer come back to just check over the car, as there is some stone chips on it, and we want to make sure that the customer knows if there is some stone chips on the car, they will, well, they might show through on the PPF, but the customer's happy for us to go ahead, so I think maybe tonight Toby will go ahead and PPF this. Right then guys, that's it for Thursday. We've had a very busy day. As I mentioned earlier on, the lights are now up, so as you can see, they're looking really good. can't wait to put a car underneath these and get some good photos. Both these Mustang Bullitts, so these are ready for coatings to go on tonight. So Callum's finished up with the multi-stage paint correction on them. And finally, we've got the Turbo S. So Toby's began the PPF on this. So the bonnet's been wrapped. The bonnet's had PPF applied, as well as this arch. So as you can see, that's looking really good. Just need to tuck this bonnet. So Toby's going to be coming back later on this evening to get that done. I'll throw some clips up on screen of that being applied. We also had a very special car coming earlier on to get booked in for some PPF as well. So that's going to be coming mid-February, so keep your eyes peeled for that. So yeah, that's it for Thursday. I'll pick it back up with you tomorrow. Right then, welcome back to the vlog. It's now the end of the week and we're on Friday, so let's show you what's happening today. Right, so first up this morning, these Mustang Bullitts are still here. So the one on the right is being collected today. That had Ceramic Pro 9H applied to it last night, so that's now cured and Callum can go ahead and apply the top coat. This one is ready for coatings as well, but this one ain't being collected until next week, so we can apply them a little later on. And then we've got the Turbo S. So Toby stayed late last night and got the rest of the PPF done. So as you can see, this is all now protected. It had our track pack PPF, so the bonnet, bumper, wings, side skirts and the rear impact has all been PPF'd. So now this has had Expo Ultimate Plus. The customer will get 10 years warranty on the PPF. So I'm just going to go around the rest of the car now, get it prepped for the customer to collect it. So other than the Porsche, I'll quickly show you Cadbury. So he's back at the studio. And then yeah, finally we've got the XC60 for this morning. So this is in, the owners bought some replacement wheels for him and had some winter tyres put on. So we're gonna ceramic coat these for him and swap them over for the ones that are on the car at the moment. These are the nice wheels. So that's what's going on at the moment. Just gonna get these cars in a good position so they can go home later on today. Right then guys, so we made it to the end of Friday now. He just drenched me. But yeah, so we made it to the end of Friday now. We've had a very busy week, also a very busy day today. The guys are still working hard outside, they're still washing cars at the moment. So they're the last two things to get done for today. Other than them, the Mustang Bullitts still here, the standard one. So this is nearly ready to go to the customer. So this is being collected on Monday, I believe. So this is going to be staying here over the weekend. Other than the Mustang, the stunning Turbo S is still here. So PPF's all done on that now, and that's being collected by the customer tomorrow. So they're the last two things in today. I'm going to end the vlog here. Thanks for watching episode 11 this week at NLD. If you are new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.